Hello, and welcome to this RabbitMQ course. So in this lecture, we'll be going through an introduction of what is RabbitMQ, where it is being used, and what its main features are. RabbitMQ is the most widely used message broker. It is open source, lightweight, and easy to deploy. It supports different messaging protocols and can be deployed to clusters to provide high availability and scalability, which is necessary in enterprise solutions. These are a few of RabbitMQ's many success stories. Google make use of RabbitMQ in their open source Rocksteady project, requiring complex event processing to perform root cause diagnosis of breakages in real time. Mozilla use RabbitMQ in Pulse, their in-house eventing and publisher subscriber bus. VMware use RabbitMQ in its virtualization products and cloud services. So as you can see, RabbitMQ is a message broker that has been used in many large projects and has many different use cases. Now we'll go through some of the main features of RabbitMQ. So RabbitMQ allows for a variable level of reliability. Generally configuring for increased reliability will reduce the performance, so this can be managed as required. Allowing for a variable level of reliability is definitely an important feature, as different use cases of the message broker may require us to sacrifice better performance in exchange for an increased level of reliability, whilst in other cases it is acceptable to have a lower level of reliability, but it is more important to have increased performance. RabbitMQ allows for complex routing capabilities, as we will see in the following lectures, where we'll go in depth in the different routing capabilities and configurations. It allows for different configurations to group together brokers for different purposes. For example, cluster, federation, and travel models, which we'll also be going through in this course. As you know, nowadays redundancy and availability are very important in enterprise solutions, and RabbitMQ also allows for highly available message queues. It also supports multiple protocols, including AMQP, STOMP, and MQTT. Clients for RabbitMQ are available in a large number of languages, including C#, Java, Go, Erlang, Elm, and many more. So this allows RabbitMQ to be used in clients written in many different programming languages. In the next lecture, we'll be installing RabbitMQ on our machine and configuring the management UI plugin.